Hey, this is Joseph Labrecque, and I'm going to be talking about publish settings in Adobe Edge Preview 5 for this video. So, if you notice, when we have a stage selected, we actually have a number of things we can do with the stage, which we've been able to do in past versions of Edge previews. But now we have some additional items here. We have a poster image that we can create. We have a down-level stage. So the down-level stage is sort of like a placeholder that's displayed in browsers that cannot support Edge compositions. And then we have the ability to add a preloader. We can also access these from File, Publish Settings. So when we go to Publish, we can see in this Publish Settings dialog, we can publish to web, we can target the specific directory to publish in, and by default it'll publish within the project folder inside of a publish directory. So let's see some of these things here. We've got poster image, so maybe I want to capture this image right here, or maybe this one, as my poster image. So I just click this, and it tells us a little bit about that it's going to create a static ping for us, and let's capture it. So, capture. You'll notice when we captured, it actually added that poster image to our images folder in Assets in the library. So that's pretty cool. We can also edit the down-level stage, so let's go into there. And here we're taken into this sort of poster stage area, and it knows that we've already created a poster image for this, and it tells us that it was captured at a specific time along the timeline, and we can simply insert here, and it adds it in for us. So this is just a static ping that users who don't support Edge compositions in their browser will be able to see. So we can also add a bit of text here, so something like your browser is terrible. And of course we can use our custom font faces if we want to, but if the browser doesn't support Edge, there's a good chance it might not support the custom font faces either, so you may not want to actually do that. And when you actually have any of this content, you can have a link URL. So maybe they have to go and download Chrome or Firefox or Opera or something like that. You can tell them that here, click here to download a compatible browser or whatever. So that's the down-level stage. We also have preloader access. So, the runtime that it downloads can be a little hefty at times. So we have this preloader, which can download all of our JavaScript and all of our assets. We haven't set up a preloader yet, and it tells us right here that the preloader size right now is 3K. So let's click Insert, and we have a number of different default ones to choose from. I'll just click this one right here and Insert, and it'll place it into our composition. So this is actually just an animated GIF, and we can actually move it and resize it and do pretty much whatever we want with it using the Edge tools. So there's our preloader. We can also have a link here. We can change the source. So if you create your own preloader, you can swap this out easily enough with an animated GIF that you've created. If we go back out here, we can see that with the preloader, the total size is 13K, and we can see that images take up 10K, and the JavaScript itself takes up 3K. And notice it says minified and zipped. That's because when we actually publish now, so if I go File, Publish, now when it publishes to this Publish folder, and we've got all our stuff in here, but we now have, if I open this guy up, we can see that it's been totally minified. So all the white space has been taken out, and things have generally been pared down to be as lightweight as possible when you publish. So there are good reasons to now publish our content through that dialog.